What's going on, guys? Right behind me we have a GLE 63. This is FaZe Adapt. He brought it in, and as you guys can see, it is a completely different color. So we went with a PPF color change on this. The color of this name is a macchiato brown, something like that. Don't quote me on it. Beautiful color. We did a powder coat on the wheels. Trims are black, so pretty much everything got done here in-house. Right now we are on our way to the FaZe House to return this vehicle to Adapt and picking up his Nissan GTR along with Lacy's Urus. Both cars are getting new things done to it. You know the FaZe guys, bro. They never stop with their projects, and we're here to make their visions come reality. Check out the shirt. This is one of our newer shirts. It will be dropping soon. And not to forget the hat. So the hat is also going to be dropping. There's other little adjustments that we have to do to both the shirt and the hat. But just so you guys get an idea, this is what you guys will be getting soon. Don't miss out. It's limited amount of hats and shirts. So if you get it, you get it. If you didn't, then you just missed out. You gotta wait till the next one. And with that being said, it's time to go get Adapt's reaction.
Okay, hold on. Throw it in reverse, Terry.
How are you feeling?
Cooling.
How's it going? How's it going?
I'm trying to see the.
How you doing today?
Great.
That's a great handshake.
Firm, huh?
Yeah, no, it's pretty firm, honestly.
What are you about to do to the Urus?
Getting
Wait, before he takes the GTR, I need to take my clickers out of there, or I'm not gonna be able to get home, which is important.
Just asked me a question and then kept talking.
What happened? What was the question?
What is he gonna do to his Urus?
Oh, I'm doing a GTR. What, Ray? Wait, is it here? Okay, hold on.
What do you mean by that? Clickers.
For my garage. Okay, hopefully it doesn't lag. Wait, Lacy, I'm gonna check it real quick and then I'm gonna show you.
So I show the stream before I show you?
Wait.
So you want to face this way?
Should we show?
Because I can
Wait,
only
I
aim
feel
it
like
that
we
way.
should put it here. Maybe you should show me it. Does it look good? I haven't seen it.
Is it effing or what?
Wait, maybe.
Just this was like the best open to walk around it. Right here, there's like 80 cars in the background.
Yeah. Do we just try it?
I think
Okay.
we could try it.
Okay, I'm about
Should I
to.
show stream?
Oh!
It's tough. I fuck with it.
That's kind of comp, though. That's kind of comp.
Oh, what color is that?
I don't know. It's like a desert
It's like a
vibe.
butterscotch.
That's really all I said. I was just like, I kind of want the desert camo vibe. This is
tough,
clean.
I told you that shit's
It
tough.
looks good with the gloss. Hey, like I don't see this wrap a lot, so I just try to do some different shit. Damn, only thing I gotta do is paint the brakes and black these out. What y'all think, chat? It's kind of clean. No one guessed it. What would you even call it?
This is a macchiato.
Macchiato?
Yeah, it's called macchiato.
Nah, y'all crushed it.
It's not just rap, it's PPF. It's like big PPF. boy shit.
Oh, we're locked in. This shit is clean. Hey, y'all killed it, bro.
Oh, yeah, thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Did a
Like-
whole color change PPF. This is called macchiato, like a brown. It's like a macchiato cup. Did the black wheel, black this, black emblems, pretty much everything. Everything else is black.
I like this color Adapt.
What do you think, Lacy? I wanted to do something different. I low-key think someone in the chat suggested like a desert vibe, and that's really all I said, right? What should I paint these? White or black? Like what would look good with? Do y'all fuck with it? Nobody guessed this color. Everyone kept saying off-white,
I
bro.
don't even think they can really tell the color on stream. It looks different.
Really?
Like look at it through here.
It does kind of have that like Maybach vibe. I didn't know how it was gonna look. I just wanted to do something that I didn't see like a lot of. Y'all cook, bro. I'm
You ain't
glad.
gonna see this color. Ain't nobody gonna have this color.
Yeah.
Little peanut butter vibe. Because for a lot of cars, you won't hit.
That's a good way to call it, a peanut butter vibe. The next stage, like y'all are gonna take the GTR, right, and start modding it, make it fast. Are we gonna do it where it's spitting flames?
Yeah. If you want, bro, I could shoot like fucking 4-foot flames on it.
4-foot flames?
I'm talking about
As tall as Ron? That's crazy.
Have a bunch of little rounds coming out of the exhaust.
Is that OD though? Like that's
I
not
mean, you
gonna-
could
do it
you
on
could turn it
command.
on. You could turn it on and turn it off. So if you just want to chill, you open the app and turn off the flames.
Oh, like how I have the remote right now.
Exactly.
Click flame app and then you take it off.
There's a flame app. They're saying hot dog bun ass car. The hot dog bun color. Dog, that's just a tan color. It's not a
dog color on the inside too. I'm not gonna lie.
Damn, I'm hyped to have this back. It's been a minute, bro, since I had it.
Tell them why.
Because I couldn't.
Chat.
I look, he forgot.
Chat, he dropped the car off and then texted me and said, yo, what's good with my car? I said, bro, you never picked the color. He's like, oh yeah, you're right. And then he finally picked the color and they started on it.
done in like a.
No, I forgot, bro. I was like, damn. I like looked around, like, wait, I'm having mad room in my garage. Where's my AMG been? Ray's like, nah, you gotta pick a color, bro. I'm like, fuck. And then I think I went on stream and asked and this is what we landed on. I actually really love it, bro.
The reason why it looks like this, like clean, is that's PPF. That's like the quality. You see how like fucking
The
shiny
PPF
look?
pops it?
Like,
You
even
can
if
feel
you
it with your nail.
It's like with your nail, it feels like paint. It's not like
Whoa.
a wrap. Yeah. That's why this shit's so expensive. Like PPF is expensive.
Damn, I should get PPF on the GTR too.
And this shit, Chris, these shits like when you scuff these shits, it heals itself, right? Like with heat.
Yeah, so like let's just say like there's like a well, if a rock hits it, it's not gonna puncture it how it would typically do it.
Yeah, that's what Ron was saying. If it gets scratched or like
you could heat it up.
dinked or
Heat
anything,
it up and it heals it. It
you
goes
just
back.
heat it up.
Yeah,
Get
like
like
a
a
little
heat gun. You don't overdo it though.
That's some insane tech. What?
That PPF shit. That's why
Auto healing.
people just don't
whip.
always use it because PPF's expensive.
That's what's like 5-6 grand just for the roll.
Yeah.
That's
What you just said? The roll itself, like just the color, is like 5,000-6,000. Just the color.
And
just
and then the PPF on top.
I mean, there goes just the
To
the
install
roll,
it,
like,
bro,
the color of it.
it's like another like $6,000-7,000 on a truck like this.
PPF. They gave you a fucking
Bro,
like,
for real.
6K wrap.
Pure PPF actually blessed me, chat. And y'all remember the Uber driver hit. The Uber driver hit me right here, the Uber Eats delivery driver. Y'all remember that on stream? It was when DDG was at the crib. It was on stream right here. The Uber Eats delivery driver for some reason drove all the way in there, made like a 40-point turn, and smacked my shit. Pause. No, we are back. We're actually back, y'all. How long you think the GTR will take the kit up with everything?
End of this week.
Oh, it'll be that fast? And what's everything we're doing? It's down pipes.
Down pipes, I think whatever you don't have, we're pretty much doing full bolt-ons, full 85. It's gonna be a flexio tool, so you could run either 91 or full 85, whichever one.
Oh, we're gonna do the E85.
Yeah, but you could still run 91 if you ever like don't have E85 around here. You
Yeah.
can just pump 91. It's fine.
Either work?
Yeah, either one.
It doesn't affect it?
It doesn't
like
because
that?
it's tuned for flexio.
Okay, bet.
Yeah, and then we're doing just all the bolt-ons that it needs besides whatever you already have.
Mm-hmm.
In terms of custom tune, we will do all the maintenance while we're there too. This color will look fire on that GTR.
You think I should go desert
What do you think,
macchiato?
Ray?
I have an idea. You see how it's like carbon fiber with the white? Like it's kind of like two-tone, like offset a little bit. I got an idea to wrap the white that would go with this. That's why I did this, but I don't want to do that just yet. You know how you had yours? It was like, that shit looked crazy. Kind of darker, but not exactly that.
They also have a lot of like carbon fiber for it. They have like fenders, trunks.
Red Tiger, I'm not doing Red Tiger, brand that guy. That's insane. I feel like after we do that, the next stage of this, because I don't think I'm gonna add any mods to this. I don't need this to be any faster or louder. I'll tweak this. What would make this look immediately better is, you know how we blacked out these in the GTR?
Yeah.
This, and then painting the rim,
Black.
or the brake.
And maybe add like some carbon fiber to this too. You could do that.
Oh, like on the side
Like,
skirts?
they have a lip. They have a lip for it. They have a side skirt.
Oh, just like the GTR.
Yeah, and also this, the whole grill, they have it carbon.
Hot dog decal, get him out of the chat. I could carbon fiber the pieces that I have, like right here, with the back bumper, the front lip, the side skirts. Can I black out these too?
The tails?
You can
Yeah.
put like a
Yeah,
tint on it,
yeah.
right?
Well, we could do like a stage 1 black, you know, and it'll be like really, really minor.
I think that would be fire. It's not completely black, but it's like 80%.
We'll do it to where like you could still see the light and everything.
Yeah, that's lit. That's what I think. This car's came a long way from when I first got it. Deadass was like a soccer mom car when I first got it. We lowered it. We blacked out the grill, the rims,
You remove the roof
the
rack.
fucking bike rack on the top for some reason. The interior is still the best part, I think, about this. Y'all seen the interior? I don't know if the red goes with it too well.
Looks like a hot dog to the bun.
Oh, this is the ketchup and this is the bun. Oh yeah. Nah, y'all went crazy, bro. Hey, shout out to PQ and shout out to Pure PPF. This shit is lit. Hey, chat, y'all fuck with it? I'm actually hyped on it.
Yeah, it looks crazy.
Cause I really didn't know how it was gonna look. But now that I'm seeing it in person, it's nice, bro.
See, like with the black and the brown, it just like stands it out. It looks more aggressive.
Yeah.
If this would have been chrome, it probably look weird, you know?
We chrome deleted the whole shit. It used to be mad chrome on
That
it.
black, it was chrome.
AM Glizzy. AM Glizzy is what they're saying. Glizzy AMG tougher. What happened to
This is their car.
Oh wait, this not your
No,
already?
this is his.
Oh, I thought this was yours.
No, that's there.
Bro, it's effing a little bit, chat, and it's EMP'd. We're in a weird spot here, but hey, this shit is gas. I hope y'all can see it and get like a good view of
Like
it.
on camera, it looks way brighter than in person. Like on this, it looks way brighter, right? I'm
I think it
not
looks
tripping.
brighter. No, I think it looks darker.
No, it looks darker in person. I feel like on this, it looks way brighter.
Really?
Yeah, this looks like a yellow compared to.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
I'm saying on camera,
Yeah, I
it looks
see.
brighter here than how it actually looks in
Yeah,
person.
yeah, yeah.
Wait, how do we show what it actually looks
Real
like?
colors.
Like Does that better? Can they see? Was that fried?
It's the same
Well, I
thing.
mean,
It's on screen.
Yo, you're.
Nah, you're right. I gotta go to the desk. I'm gonna post it, bro. I'm gonna post it. Chat. Shout to PQ, and one more time, shout to Pure PPF for the PPF wrap, the color PPF wrap, for blessing me. This shit looks good, bro. And if you guys were here when I first got this back in February, when we first did the first reveal, you've seen it through all its stages. PQ's about to take the GTR right here, and I think what they were saying too is you guys see how we have carbon on the side skirts, carbon fiber on the front lip, and the back bumper and the spoiler. I think we could do that to that. Like black out this, kind of how we did, and then I think then that's good for now. Hey, I had a question, bro. The E Wagon, the speaker system's ass. The golf car, how it sounds, I want to put a speaker system in here that, like, I have this JBL that's heavy as hell, and it takes up both the back seats, and you could feel it like when you're driving the car swaying. Is there any way we could put speakers in there that are loud, kind of like the OG golf cart, without taking up that much weight or space?
Yeah.
Maybe I could show y'all.
The service in here is trash.
Oh, what the fuck?
Wait, end of the car?
Maybe just end and restart.
He doesn't want that because it takes mad room. You would put the speakers in here.
I have all the room in the trunk too.
No, well, we could make holes right here on the side.
But you think we could do it?
Right here as well too.
Cause I feel like, bro, this takes up the back seats and it's heavy as fuck.
Yeah.
Like it slows it down, and anytime you hit a turn, you feel like it's another person.
Bro, we could do like so much. Like we could make the speakers in here and here and here. Like,
And make it OD. Like the
about
bass is
loud, bro.
crazy. Like the OG golf cart, it was almost too loud that it sounded fuck.
and it'll be a clean pitch, you know. It won't be like staticky or nothing.
And then I think the other thing I would do to this is put an underglow on it. Like a little underglow. On underglow speakers. What was the other upgrade I had? Oh, we were gonna do a wrap, like we were not gonna say it, but we had the idea that we were talking about for the wrap. I think underglow, if we put speakers inside here, like open it up, and then I don't know, can I put something in here, some sort of eject button? If someone's in shotgun, is that possible?
Everything's possible, bro.
Imagine Gilly's in here and he's pissing me off. I just eject him up into there. Later, I switch a cam 2, we out.
Speakers like exposed out here or just more inside?
I think it would look cleaner inside. Would it still sound good?
It's not enclosed.
I'll send you a video. You know the old one I used to have? The speaker system was, I don't want to say it was like good, but it was great for streaming because it was loud, and it wasn't like this where it was heavy as hell. You could see it. It was inside, like underneath all of this.
No, we did it to Juice from Hellstar. We did his.
He had like
his surround system. That
He
shit
has
was
some
fun.
little ass cart. He hooked it all the way up, fully
It
decked
sounds
out.
crazy.
Bro, it sounded crazy.
Damn. That might be the play, bro. And I could tint the windows. That's all I'm trying to do on this. Window tint, underglow, and little speaker system. I think that's next, bro. GTR, and then this.
I mean, the speakers, you could put them everywhere. You could even put them under the little cart, you know? You could make a bracket and just put them under the cart.
Just because this is literally eliminating half the seating I have.
Yeah.
And adding mad weight. Like, it could be way faster. Oh, wait, could we upgrade the battery?
Well, it's
The
already
battery-
gonna have to get upgraded because of all the system we're putting on. So regardless, it'll be part of it.
We are gonna have to up the voltage. That's what I was thinking. Because the speakers are gonna take up the battery. That's good comms, chat. That's already fast, chat. I don't think we can make it. Wait, should we put an exhaust on it?
It's electric.
I feel like anything's possible here, Ray.
Anything is on. You just have to throw a motor in it.
After we figure out this and this, then we can move to this. I just wanted to ask you what you thought if
No,
it
it's
was
definitely
possible.
possible, bro. We could do it.
A better speaker system like embedded in here, so I'm not moving around with this shit.
And we'll make it flush too. It's not like you'll have a big ass speaker right there just like hanging out, you know? We'll make it flush.
That'd be so clutch. And then maybe, and we'll talk about the rap and everything else off stream. But those are the main things. Someone fucking hit me.
Yeah, you seen that, right?
Yes.
Look, somebody hit it. Yeah, somebody hit him, and nobody wants to say who it was. Here? Yeah, nobody wants to say who it was.
That's why we need to put cameras in this driveway, bro.
I think Silky put up cameras in here somewhere.
I think we know who it was.
Oh yeah, he does collision. Should we show him tomorrow?
Yeah, let's show you what we thinking here. So you see this Urus right here? Into the forensics here. See who hit my fucking GTR and didn't say nothing. My GLE got hit too by Uber East driver, bro. I might have to never bring my shit here.
white.
If you look here,
This is the only car in the house that has a mark.
so what do you think about that mark?
No, I don't think so.
No?
No. Because that
Is that
one's like
coming
this
up?
small and this one's like, oh, you know?
Lacy cooked his shit.
Yeah, what did he do to his though?
And
That looks like
maybe
you got
up here, but then like This looks like he hit something else. This was all part of one.
This looks like he definitely ran into like a
If
wall.
it was only this right here, I'll be like, okay, yeah, it was him. But nah, it's more down.
Jim, there's no other cars that are marked in here. I didn't know until Ray pointed it out.
No, this has been here for
No, like a week or two ago.
But it wasn't even like somebody reversed into that.
Yeah, for sure.
Like the car was fully parked.
Yeah,
when
it
that
wasn't
happened.
like a scrape. A scrape will create that effect.
You know, this is just a reverse straight in.
But this is, you think you could just pop this out though?
Yeah, but you're gonna have to bundle it.
What's that mean?
Like, we want to pop it off, bundle it, and then paint it.
Bondle and paint. Honestly, that's what I was thinking. This was got
that's a
tweaked
fender liner, yeah.
from the other crib.
Got
That
stuck in the ditch.
got stuck in a ditch when we were moving, bro. GG.
Yeah, I seen it. I was like, yo, why your shit look like that?
It was recent though, huh? Like last week?
Not that. Kind of like probably like max a month, max.
Because it's still like fresh.
Yeah, I didn't
You
know.
guys haven't watched it or nothing.
I literally didn't know until Ray said, like, who hit your car? I was like,
I
what?
forgot. I seen it on a stream. Somebody said, what happened to Adapt's fender? And I was like, wait, what? Oh no, my homie texted me. I guess I was watching the stream. It was like, did Adapt hit his shit? And I was like, what? And I looked and I was like, oh.
But there's no other cars with marks, bro. Someone hit it and literally ran off, child.
They have this part in carbon. You see how it's all cracked?
Yeah.
They have this part carbon.
Should I do that?
Might be more cost effective than to just replace it with an OEM.
I was thinking too about the OEM, and I feel like it would be better financially.
They don't have it, and just get OEM and paint it black.
Wouldn't OEM be more money?
Yeah, I don't know.
We just have to check.
We could just carbon fiber it out. It would go with everything else. Cause I got this. If I'm on some nuts, I'll do the roof. But I think I'm cool with the white roof.
Nah, you should leave the roof white.
Yeah, I don't know how we're supposed to figure out who's responsible for this
It'll
dent.
come up eventually in due time.
Yeah, one of these days, someone will reveal themselves in like a Hot Ones challenge or some shit. Plate too, the plate for this is underneath the passenger side seat if you need it. I have the plate, but the plate says Adapt. I don't know if that's it. Can I make a custom plate?
Yeah, it just takes a little bit to come, like 4 weeks, 6 weeks.
Or whatever you think, just hit me about it. And if I get any other ideas, I'll text you.
What color?
Y'all killed it with this, bro. Thank you. For
Thank
real.
you, bro.
So what is Lacy getting done to his car?
You know Lacy always wants like the most obnoxious sound on his Urus. So he had the Valvetronic full catback exhaust. However, he did not think it was loud enough. So he went with a different exhaust brand. So you guys gotta wait to see that.
Could we hear what it sounds like right now before?